Hey everybody, my name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. Today's review we're going to talk about a fragrance that's been out for a long time. People know about this fragrance and, well, I've had it for a while. I'm going to give you my full review on it. And there's no other than Chanel Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme. I'm going to let you know how I feel about it. It's coming right up. Very happy to be talking about this fragrance, and there's no other than House of Chanel Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme. This fragrance here has notes of cedar, mint, tonka, musk, sandalwood, black pepper, Sicilian mandarin. This fragrance here, I like this fragrance. Let me tell you about the price point. Right now they have it at Sephora for this size here at 1.7 ounce for $95, and then they have the 3.4 ounce for about $120. I'm not sure if they have a 5 ounce bottle. I will check out, and if I do, I'll leave a description below. These are the only sizes it comes in, these two right here for right now, but if I need to update, I will update this video. I like this fragrance a lot. At first, I didn't really like it. I'm like, I sprayed it, and at first I'm like, it's okay. I got this a couple years ago. I'm like, it's all right. Then I started wearing it more and more, and just, I like the fragrance. Let me spray it, but I'll show you the bottle first. This is the bottle, Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme. You've seen the bottles before. The cap snaps down, just simple, you know, nothing different. And I'm going to spray it real quick, a test strip here. It opens up, just very citrusy, very fresh, a little spicy in it. Just this fragrance, you know, at first I didn't think I would like it, and I'm like, and then I start wearing it, and it's funny. It's a funny story for my compliment factor. To get right into it, I was in the process of buying a new Samsung phone, and I was like, all right, I'm going to buy a new Samsung phone. So I sprayed like 2-3 sprays on. So I went in the store, and with under 15 seconds, the lady that was helping me get my Samsung phone and the woman next to her, like they were both working the transactions. And the one girl was like, oh, you smell very sexy. I like the other girl's like, oh, you smell very, very alluring. I'm like, oh, I appreciate that. Thank you. And they asked what I had on. I told them it was this. And they were like, oh, I like that. I want to get that for my boyfriend. The other girls, I'm going to get that for my husband. I'm like, cool. So I gave her the price. She's like, it's kind of expensive, but I do like it. So they're like, oh, we're going to just pick it up. One had a boyfriend and one was married. So we're going to buy it for her husband. The other one's going to buy it for a boyfriend. I was like, cool. So I told her about my channel and stuff like that. I didn't know it was that powerful. I've never got back-to-back compliments with under 15 seconds, like being next to people. And that kind of blew my mind. I was like, whoa, like this is some really heavy juice here. You know, and at first I'm like, this isn't going to work. And then I sprayed it and went out, and people started to gravitate and really like this fragrance. And then I started wearing it more and more, and I started liking it. I think I got about like maybe half left here. I don't have much left. I might have to buy a bigger bottle of it. But I like this fragrance a lot. I heard it been reformulated, so I'm not really sure. I'm definitely going to buy it in the bottle and try it out and give you guys an update. But I like this fragrance a lot. It sprays out a lot at one time. It smells nice. It's just, it has a little bit of spices in it. I like the opening with the citrus. It's nice. It's pleasing to me, people around me. I've never got one negative comment with this fragrance, you know, even though they're about 3 sprays. I might be generous and pull 4 sprays. You know, when I wear it, people do like it. You know, I've got a few head turns. Like I've got the 2 compliments at first, which was really nice because, you know, people want to wear fragrances because they smell good, like I do. But then it's nice when somebody says, hey, that fragrance smells good, or hey, where can I buy that? That makes you want to talk about fragrances, or just help them out, or maybe give them a sample and stuff like that. If you know, if I have it, or if they want to talk about fragrances, it really means a lot. Let's talk about projection. Projection wise, you're going to get 2 hours. Sometimes it's like I get between 2 to 3 hours of projection. It just seemed like it just lasts on my skin. And longevity at this point, I got between 7 to 8 hours. I'm not sure if it lasts long because people do smell it longer during the day, and I'm like, oh, cool, I just don't smell it anymore. I like it. It's this versatility. Yeah, you can wear it dressed up, dressed down. It doesn't really matter. You know, you can wear it all season long. I wouldn't go heavy on the trigger in the spring and summer. It might be too much, but you know, you still wear it. Just lightly apply it. I like it for indoors, outdoors, first date, going out, go to a wedding, you wear it to work. It's just nice. It's appealing. There's nothing wrong with this fragrance here. It's been out for a while. I just never talked about it on my channel. I did put it in compliment video I have, most compliments, because it does get me compliments. And I like the fragrance. If you haven't tried out Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme, please check this fragrance out. I think you're going to like it. I like Chanel fragrances too, but I'm not a big fan of them. I'm a big more fan of Dior fragrances because I had Dior Sauvage and Dior Sauvage EDP, but that's just me. But this is a great fragrance. This fragrance here, I have to pretty much give it a 3 out of 3 stars. I like the fragrance. It'll get you through the day. I get compliments with this fragrance. Projection's good and longevity. I don't have any fragrance I give 3 out of 3. I like this fragrance. It works for me. I'm happy getting compliments. I'm happy with the way it smells. And overall, I like the fragrance. If you like men's fragrance reviews, unboxes, and free giveaways, all I ask you to do is at the end of this video, please consider clicking the subscribe button right here. And please leave a like. And if you really like this video a lot, please leave a comment below what you like about the video. And if you tried Allure Homme Sport Eau Extreme, please leave a comment below to know if you tried this fragrance and like it. Until my next fragrance video, ladies and gentlemen, peace.